Hello, hello, guys, and welcome to day 8 of the 12 days of Christmas. Today, I have a really wonderful offer for you if you feel like you have been trying diet after diet and not being able to keep it as a sustainable way of eating. The reason why this often happens is because diets are honestly, they're not created for us as individual and unique beings. Instead, they are more of a cookie cutter method that we're expected to force ourselves into. And what we know now is that is honestly the least sustainable way of changing your life, of creating healthy and sustainable habits. So, the one way that actually works is when we become truly clear on what our individual and unique bodies need. And to do that, we need to make sure we're using our intuition. That's why I created the program Intuition Nutrition, which combines not just nutrition science, but also how to get in touch with your own gift of intuition. When we combine both of these things, we're better able to tune in to see what our bodies uniquely need. Because what my body needs might be different from what your body needs. And when we become aligned to the clues that our bodies are giving us, then we're able to create that lifelong, sustainable, healthy way of eating that really serves us. So go to the link below, check out my course, which is self-paced, called Intuition Nutrition, and make sure to use the code to get 50% off. I'll see you tomorrow for day 9 of the 12 Days of Christmas.